The beach is calling, and I must go. These words echo through my soul, awakening a deep yearning within me. The allure of the vast ocean, the gentle caress of the warm sand, and the symphony of crashing waves beckon me to embark on a journey of serenity and self-discovery. In this chaotic world, where life's demands consume our every moment, the beach stands as a sanctuary of tranquility. It whispers tales of forgotten dreams and untapped potential, reminding us of the boundless possibilities that lie within our grasp. With each step towards the shore, the weight of the world lifts off my weary shoulders, and a renewed sense of purpose fills my being. The beach is more than just a destination. It is a state of mind. It is a place where worries dissipate, and the soul finds solace. As I stand on the shoreline, gazing out into the endless horizon, I am reminded of the vastness of life and the limitless opportunities that await me. The crashing waves become a metaphor for the challenges I have faced, each one conquered with resilience and determination. In the embrace of the ocean, I find inspiration. The rhythmic ebb and flow of the tides mirror the ebb and flow of life itself. It teaches me to embrace change, to let go of what no longer serves me, and to ride the waves of uncertainty with unwavering faith. The beach becomes my canvas, and the sand my medium, as I etch my dreams and aspirations into its grains. Knowing that the universe will conspire to bring them to fruition, the beach is a reminder of the beauty that exists in simplicity. As I bask in the warmth of the sun, I am reminded to slow down, to appreciate the gentle breeze that kisses my skin, and to savor each precious moment. It is here, in the simplicity of nature's wonders, that I find my true self. Stripped away are the masks we wear in the outside world, leaving only the raw essence of who we are.